Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Rahan, a content creator and freelancer. Today's video is very special. Sometimes we are facing the problem we have a M4A file and we need MP3 file. When we produce the final output, we got a M4A file. Actually they got a problem, so we need MP3. So I have seen lots of video on YouTube on other social media platform, but I found a very easy process where you can easily convert your M4A file to MP3 file. So I will show you the step-by-step process. Now I will show you the way you can convert M4A file to MP3. Alright guys, this is the website where we can convert M4A file to MP3. So let's have a look the URL online-audio-convert.com. So you can search one and you will see the interface like this and lots of options here. Just audio tools, PDF tools, converters and the video tools. Okay, so you will see the lots of options here. Alright, so before jumping to the next step, please subscribe my channel if you like this content, and if you find the video is helpful, please share this video, and of course don't forget to bookmark this website. And here you can see the extension for Google Chrome is available now. So this is really cool and this is completely free. So I have been using for 1 year and it's really amazing to convert any kind of file. Okay, we have already M4A file I have shown you guys. So just open the file. So here we go. This is the M4A file that I have already extracted a few minutes ago. So just double click. So total 10.64 megabyte. So our M4A file is uploaded done, and here is the quality. So okay, you can keep standard, good and best. So no problem, just keep best 320 kbps. And here is the another tricks, advanced settings. Click on it and you can see the bitrate. Okay, so you can increase the bitrate as well as and decrease, and sample ratio and channel. Okay, fade in, fade out, reverse. So if you need any kind of these settings, just do this. So I don't need anything, just I need MP3 file. So here is the key point, MP3, keep MP3. Last step is click on convert. Very easy. So within few seconds I will have a MP3 file. So this is the final result. Here we can see the extension is MP3. Okay, so that's how you can convert any kind of M4A file to MP3 in this website. It's really cool. So if you have any URL which is M4A links, okay, so just click on URL and paste the URL. Okay, so it will come automatically the same process, and you will have to just click on convert and you will got the final results. So here we go. This is how I convert any kind of M4A file to MP3 for my project or any kind of videos. So see you guys in the next video. Have a good day.